Quelites are so wonderful, and I don't think many people north of the border know about them. Quelites are just wild greens picked when young, and there are many quelites, but of course baby spinach and watercress is a great and perfect substitute. Quelites are great cooked on their own, but they're really popular cooked with scrambled eggs or omelets, so that's what we're gonna do. So I have a pot of water here that's coming to a boil, a pound of half spinach, half watercress, and I'm just gonna add it in the water. Now, this looks like a lot, they reduce so much. All quelites do. So just gonna cook them for 1 minute. Just submerging my greens in here, counting 2 papahichis, 1 papahichi, and they're ready. Okay, I'm gonna let them drain. Turn my heat on to medium. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and over medium gentle heat, I'm gonna cook my vegetables. I have scallions. Then gonna slice the white parts, the light green parts. So I'm gonna add my scallions in here. And then I'm gonna add my chiles, and I'm gonna use 2 different kinds of chiles. I have my chilaca, chile verde del norte. I'm removing the seeds. So I'm gonna chop. Okay, so we have the scallions that are softening, cooking with my chile verde. I'm gonna add a jalapeno, and here is where it gets really fun. I'm helping my dish get a little more heat, and I'm including the seeds of the jalapeno. Yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna add tomato, and I have 2 ripe guajes or Roma tomatoes. Adding these. I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna add some salt to my vegetables. So now I'm gonna go get my greens. I'm pushing with my hands to try to get as much of the water. And this is gonna give the egg scramble a different texture and flavor than if I had added these when raw. Okay, so I'm adding this in there. I want the quelites to dry a little bit more. Meanwhile, I'm gonna scramble my eggs, and I'm gonna heat my comal. I'm gonna crack the egg. Did you see that? It didn't break. I'm gonna add salt in here, and I'm adding black pepper. Now we're gonna whisk. Whenever you add your eggs, medium to low is good, and then you can cook to your desired doneness. I like to do this part with a spatula. Okay, as this finishes cooking, I'm gonna start heating my tortillas. I'm gonna chop some chives to make it prettier. Let me flip the tortillas. Let's pick a ripe avocado. Okay, beautiful. Both tortillas have puffed. Let's take the avocado out. Slice. 1 taco for me. 1 taco for me. I'm gonna finish off the tacos with flor de sal. I'm gonna add a little bit of the salsa to one of the tacos. I'm gonna take a bite into the non-salsa one. It tastes so nutritious, delicious, good for you. It's like packed full of greens, like cooked greens, fresh greens. I want to take a bite of the one with the salsa. I love them both with the salsa and without the salsa. So glad you're getting to know quelites if you hadn't yet. If you can't make it to Chihuahua or Papahichi, here's a bite you can try.